Fatal error on fresh Laravel 10.3. 3 install. Normally I continued to research and find out how I am getting errors in whatever it is that I am doing. However, I am completely stumped on how to figure this out. I have recently just started trying Laravel on my home server and went through all the steps to get to installing it. Once I open up my browser to public index.php, I am faced with an error. Allocate memory size of 1,073,741,820 for bytes exhausted. Tried to allocate 218,107,900 for bytes. The error points to line 51 of the index.php file as follows: $response equals $kernel handle. As far as I know, everything was done correctly on the install from my end, but I can't seem to figure out what is actually causing this issue. Any help is appreciated. Cheers. I have tried reinstalling Composer and installing other Laravel versions, but still receiving the same error. Answer: well, I feel dumb. What can I say? I'm learning. But if anybody else runs into this problem, the answer is really simple. You must change ownership of your storage folder to www.data. If using shell chownr www-data/var/www/attl/your-project-name/storage.